Take a ride in the 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.